It's a new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder, thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, smart device navigation, front and rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, remote engine start smart device, streaming audio, aluminum wheels, doors and push button start proximity key, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Nissan, built for the human race. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.